Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video I have a new launch haul to share with you guys. So all of these are really affordable. I got some products from Mars, I got some from Insight, Aqualogica also I have in this haul. So yeah, let's just dive right into the video now. Also, if you are someone who's new to my channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it here. I hope you like the vibe. I hope you like the content. If you end up liking the content, you can hit the subscribe button. Along with that, the notification bell as well. So let's just dive right in. So the first thing that I have here is the Aqualogica Lip Mask. So this is the new lip mask that they have, and this is the Radiance Plump Lip Mask. So actually they sent it to me, this product, and I have been testing it out. So this is since a new launch. I just wanted to talk about it. It's not a sponsored video or anything. I'm just testing this out still, so I just wanted to put this in the new launch category. So yeah, this is really good. I absolutely loved it. This actually, the scent of this is also so nice. It's very muted. It's not something that's too much. Also, I do want to say that I love the watermelon scent a lot, and it's very toned down watermelon scent. Also, I love the consistency of this. Like in the jar, it is very stiff, but once you pull it out and put it on your lips, it's very emollient, and it just glides on like butter. It also moisturizes and hydrates my lips so nicely. I think it retails for around 300 or something like that. Really inexpensive, I would say, for the quality that you get. And yeah, I absolutely liked it. I have been using it for a couple of nights before sleeping. Even around the house, I like to use this just like a lip balm. So yeah, I actually did end up liking this product, and yeah, it's much more better than so many other lip masks that I have used in the past. So anyway, let's move into the new Mars eyeshadow that I got. So this is the new Mars eyeshadow. This is the makeup kit actually from Mars, and it's in the shade 01. So this comes with the eyeshadow, bunch of eyeshadows, and it also has a blush and highlighter in here. So I saw this on Mars website. I was about to buy it, then Mars actually sent the package my way. So this is a PR product. Anyway, just let's talk about these eyeshadows. They are beautiful eyeshadows. I love the color theme of these eyeshadows. I absolutely love, these tones, especially during the winter season. It's very warm, feels very cozy when you look at these shades. Obviously, we don't have the fall season here in India. It's like summer and directly winter. It's transitioning right now, which is really good because I love winter months so much. Anyway, these are the perfect shades to use for this season, I feel like. Now coming to the quality and consistency of this, I feel like it's a little bit different than their other shadows that they have. I like the shimmers. They're very okay. I would say not bad, not really that good. But the mattes are really good. I do have to say they're not like super pigmented. You definitely have to take your time and build it up and slowly blend it out. You have to, build the shadows up a little bit to get the pigment that I have going on. But once it blends out, it really looks very pretty. I love how my eyes look today. Like, it's very smoky, and I love the color combination as well. Like, it has this amazing deep brown shade, which is really good. It's like a neutral brown. It's not too warm, but all the other shades that you see here today are very warm orange, mustard. I love those shades so much. If you compare it with the other Mars palette, I feel like the other Mars palette had more of like, neutral shades, but this is a palette that I feel like a lot of people can use, especially for this season. Now coming into if I like the eyeshadow palette or not, I do have to say I really like it. Yes, you do need a little bit more time to layer these shadows up a little bit to get on the pigmentation you want, but I ended up liking and loving this eye look a lot. It's very simple, but it ties in the whole look of warm toned shadows. Now coming into the blush and highlighter, I do not like the highlighter at all, so I didn't even apply it on my face today. The highlighter I feel like is not my type. I like highlighters that are very finely milled. This I feel like is a little bit more shimmery than I like, so I don't like it that much. but the blush in here is just perfect. It's very beautiful. It's not patchy. At first I thought that the blush maybe it was going to be patchy, but it's not. It's not too highly pigmented, which is what I like in a powder blush. I don't want powder blushes to be bam on pigmentation, but this blush is very beautiful. Also the shade is so nice. It's this warm pink salmon kind of undertone in here, which is going to suit a lot of dusky brown skin, and I can totally see people liking it. This retails for 299 rupees, and I'm telling you guys, this is the best product I have come across that contains a blush and a set of eyeshadows for this price. Yeah, so even the blush I feel like ties in with the whole look that I did. So the theme of this palette is very warm tone. So Mars actually released this glitter palette as well, which I saw and I was like in love with the palette shape. First of all, I didn't use this today because I don't know if you guys know this or not. I don't like using glitter at all, especially these kinds of glitter. I love using high pigmented shades, like high pigment sort of shimmery shades, but glitter is not something that I usually use on my channel, so I don't think so I'll be using this because I don't want to use something just for the video and then just waste it. So I'll just give it to someone who have better use of it. But yeah, I just feel like if you are into glitter shades, if you like using glitters a lot on your eyes, you can totally go for this. I really did like the palette sleek. Look at how sleek this palette is. It's so nice. It looks very nice and really amazing. So yes, this is a palette that I don't think so I'll use that much at all, I mean. So the next product I have that I got from Mars are these creamy matte lipsticks, and this is the lipstick that I am wearing right now on my lips. I wanted to talk about these lipsticks is that I like that Mars comes up with really good lipstick formulas. I honestly love their lipsticks a lot, but the only thing is that they are not coming with glossy lips. Like, it's high time that Mars comes out with a lip gloss or lip stain or something like that, you know. I'm really tired of seeing like the boring matte lipstick. Although I love matte lipsticks, that is all I wear whenever I go out. But when it comes to, you know, trying out other formulas, I feel like Mars should try out glossy lips or lip stains or stuff like that, because I'm just bored of seeing the same formulation. Anyway, these are creamy matte, so they are very creamy, and they like kind of like sets after a while. So when you apply this, it's very creamy. It doesn't even feel like a matte lipstick, but after like 5 minutes, it settles into a really matte finish and it feels very lightweight. The formulation is definitely good on these lipstick. They don't even feel like I'm wearing anything, not even like a matte lipstick sometimes can be uncomfortable. These doesn't feel like that. And I got all the beautiful brown shades. You guys know how much I love brown shades, and I have to tell you guys that these three, although they look very similar, they are very different. On swatches also you can see like they are so different. I love each and every lipstick that they sent me, and these three browns are so different. Like one is very warm tone, one is a little bit light, one has a cool undertone to it. So yes, these are really perfect for this season. I know that in winter I mostly like to wear deep brown tones, and again with this eye look, this lipstick shade looks so perfect. And today I mixed the shade 0, 9 and 12 on my lips, but obviously I did swatch each and every shade for you guys so that you can see the difference clearly. I did like the brown shades, and I just feel like you know, although they look very similar, they do have a variation and in the undertones. So yeah, these are absolutely a hit. So the next thing that I got here is from Insight. So the first thing that we have to talk about is the Insight perfume. Now when I saw this perfume, I was like, oh my god, this is so beautiful packaging. Especially this is like very Christmassy, I feel like. The only thing I don't like is that the name in here, like they just, you know, I would have liked it more if they didn't engrave their whole name in here. Maybe just like a smaller version of the name somewhere, because the packaging looks so classy. It does not even look like a 190 rupees perfume. Yes, this retails for 190 only, under rupees 200. Now coming on to the scent, it's not something that I like. It's very powdery and it's very floral. I know that some people might like it, but for me personally, I don't like it. This scent actually reminds me so much of the 90s. My mom loves this scent. Like as soon as I got this perfume, my mom is like, what perfume is that? I love it. I know that, this actually perfume reminds me so much of the 90s as well. Because of the packaging and because of the scent as well. I remember whenever my mom used to go out and get ready for marriage parties and stuff, she used to spray this kind of perfume. Nowadays we don't get this kind of perfume that much. It's more so like everything is like very muted down, very clean scent, very fresh, very sweet, sort of spicy sort of scent. But this one has that distinctive 90s floral perfume scent. Although I do not like the perfume, it just reminds me so much of my childhood that I don't know, it's somehow I like this. Okay, somehow I like this perfume. I don't think so I'll be putting this perfume on, maybe sometimes, but I'll definitely gift it to my mom instead. I think so she's gonna love it. And yeah, the packaging is beautiful. Some might find it cheap though. Yeah, some might find it cheap, but I like the packaging. It's a little bit, maybe it's a little bit tacky. You guys tell me you like this packaging or not, because I do like it. I like it. Anyway, so the next thing we have from inside is the Clean and Win makeup remover. So this has tea tree, cucumber, aloe vera extract. I used it yesterday, and this is like a micellar water where you have the oil on top and the water at the bottom, or the water on top and the oil on the bottom. I'm sorry. Yeah, I think the water is at the top and the oil is bottom. I don't know, but you have to shake it and then you have to spray it on, and then you just take a cotton wipe or anything and just remove the makeup, and the makeup just goes away. I really like this, although this is going to be good for traveling, I feel like, because it's very easy to just spray it on, and you don't have to think of this spilling all over your vanity or stuff like that. And yeah, it's a very good product to have in your vanity. I don't remember the price I paid. Okay, so it's for 199 rupees. Not bad, not bad. I am always testing out so many different makeup remover formulas. I really did like it. I know that if I'm traveling soon, then I will definitely carry this with me, because this kind of product comes in handy when you're traveling. I'm telling you, I cannot carry those big balm makeup remover with me, and this kind of formula works really good for removing like mascara and stuff, and this is really good for removing mascara. So yes, a really good buy. Anyway, the last product that I have to show you guys, actually I didn't even use it on my face. I'm really sorry, because there is a lot of palettes in here. So I got all these palettes from Cuffs and Lashes. Can see, Cuffs and Lashes palette. So they sent me their entire range of Shystyles palette. So Shystyles, I know that she is another beauty content creator. She's amazing, by the way. I met her once. She is really the sweetest person. So I think Cuffs and Lashes collaborated with her, because it says the Shystyles palette and her name is Shystyles. So I just think that this might be a collaboration. I'm really not sure, because I haven't seen this across that much. She just sent this to me, and yeah, the palette shades look amazing. So we have a glitter palette here, as you can see right now. Wait, I'll show you guys. So this is the with the nails, it's so hard to. This is the glitter palette that we have, glitter heart one. I don't know if they have 5 or more than 5, and this is the palette bubblegum. Just look at the tones in here. I love the tones that they gave in here. Oh god. Okay, so just look at the tones in here. It's very muted down. It's very nice. I feel like it's very unique as well. The tones, undertones I mean. The next we have here is Seductress, and this is a very lilac sort of purpley shade. It also has a glitter, pressed glitter right here, as you can see. And these retail for, I don't know how much, okay, like I really don't know how much they retail for, but they look really nice. And honestly I'm loving mini palettes so much more than the bigger ones. So this is a shimmer palette. Just look at the shimmers in here. I will definitely be doing a video on these, maybe use 1 or 2 palettes and see how they perform. So anyway, this is the Nancy Nude palette. So this is like a complete nudie type of a palette. It has only 2 shimmers in here, which is really good if you don't like that much of shimmer shadows and you like mattes mostly. It has cool undertones and 2 warm undertones, as I can see. I think so this might be a really good palette for me. I am loving cool undertones, but also I'm someone, I need a little bit of that warm undertone in an eyeshadow palette as well. Too much of cool undertone also I cannot work with that nicely. So I'm really happy that this palette has a little bit of that warm undertone, but mostly neutral and cool undertones in here. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Let me know which one was your favorite thing, if you like this eye look or not. I absolutely love this eye look. I used to do this kind of eye look so much before. So yeah, for me then, all the Mars products, I really did like it. The Aqualogica Lip Mask was good. The Inside Perfume was really good. Also the micellar water kind of makeup remover was nice as well. I'll have to test out the Shystyles palettes soon. So yeah, I will be doing that in the coming videos. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.